This is the 9th LeetCode challenge we're doing in Go, and it is called Palindrome number. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So if you have 121, it's true. If you have negative 121, it's false because... okay, so it includes the sign, and then 10 is not because the reverse is 0, 1. Okay, let's get started. So something straight away we can do. If x less than 0, return false. And what other scenario would that be when it's false? So we know if it's less than 0, it's false. If the number is 0, it would be true because it's a number by itself. Okay, returning a bool. Is expectation we're using integers. So if we treat it purely as an integer, the numbers we're working with, if the input x ends in a 0, you reverse it, it would then start with a 0. Okay, I think that probably is an edge case within this. So we can do, so that would be x modulus 0, modulus 10 equals 0. But like I said before, 0 itself would be palindrome. So we'd have to do x does not equal 0 and this should be an OR right here. So if it's less than 0, return false. If the number is not 0 but ends in a 0, return false as well. Okay, I think we've got that. So we're gonna create a new variable first equals 0, and I think it's gonna be, it'll be kind of just like the previous. I think it'll be very similar. So we've got, say we've got 1, 2, 3. Got the number 1, 2, 3. It would grab the last number and add it to the new one. Then be timesing by 10, adding the new one. So very similar. So we will do for it's going to do x is greater than 0, but we need to check to see if it's palindrome. So we'll do original is equal to x, and we'll work on original. So for original is greater than 0, reversed equals reversed times 10 plus x modulus 10. No, this should be original, and then original is divided by 10. So we do that until that's 0, then we do return reversed equals x. So let's see if that works. That worked. If we make it a negative, does it still work? Yep, that gave 10 false when it shouldn't. Let's put 10 in, turned false. Okay, so I think that's all we had to do. So let's copy it, put it into LeetCode, run it on the test ones. Worked on the test one, so let's submit it, and it has worked. So that is the 9th LeetCode challenge, palindrome number, done and go. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.